Hello friends, today is 26th of May 2023. Had some work, did some work, had breakfast. The weather very hot, quite sunny. This is from my Airbnb balcony. My two little friends, Maya, and Winnie. He's a Pang Mao, something like that. He's a chubby guy. So I'm taking this 651 bus to this temple. It's for the sea gods. It's gonna take me more than an hour to get there, but the bus is very good. So I'm quite far from home. This is the temple. Yeah. So this is the temple. It's, like I said before, for the god of sea. It started as a small temple, now it's way bigger. It's quite old. Yeah, some kind of construction going on also. I'm gonna go inside to the different side of the temple. So this should be the god of sea. So the god's name should be Matsu. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. In English it's like M-A-Z-U. So that's about it. Not big, but quite cool temple. Never seen this before. So I'm ordering some stinky tofu. So this is how it looks. She put a lot of sauces on it. Asked me if I wanted spicy. So yeah, it doesn't stink that bad when it's out of that fluid. That fluid gives a lot of stink, you know. The tofu itself, maybe it's not that bad. So okay, it's definitely not that bad. I already tried it. Normal tofu, like fried tofu. It's not bad. I wonder how healthy is it because it's fermented. So yeah, it cost 50. So it was definitely not bad. It has also some health benefits. But like eating every day, I don't know. With beer maybe, yeah. But like every day, not really. Once a week, okay. So yeah, try it out. It's not that bad. So they have churches here. I think this is my first church that I've seen in Taichung. Talking about milk tea, I think this place, 50, has the best milk tea in Taiwan so far that I noticed. That I tried maybe 5 different ones, so this one was the best. Looks some kind of street food place. I'll go check it out. Looks very small. By the way, I'm back in Taichung. I took the bus 154. I think the last bus from that place that I showed you the temple was like 10 p.m. But you should check on Google. Yeah, I read that this place, Taichung, has an opera house. Also, the museum is quite famous here, so maybe I'll go there tomorrow. So I'm back at this Fengcha market. Way much people than last time. It's a Friday today. So this Family Mart has a cool second floor. I'm actually not allowed to be here, but I don't think they mind. Yeah, just had some food with a good view. Yeah, so that's about it. I'm going home. Quite short day, but still did something. See you tomorrow.